Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's get started with our first video. Our first lecture video is on the topic Mixed Design of the subject Concrete Technology. Etu subject BTech aru Diploma duitate ase, so this video is going to be helpful for all the students. We require two IS codes, namely IS 10262-2009 and IS 456-2000 to solve a mixed design problem. The links to download these IS codes are given below in the description box. Firstly, let us see what are the steps to solve a mixed design problem. So these are the steps: target strength for mixed proportioning, selection of water cement ratio, selection of water content, calculation of cement content, proportion of trial mixes, mix calculations, mix proportions, and finally the adjustments. So the question that we are going to solve today is from a question paper of Guwahati University. As to Polytechnic or Bibhinno University question papers or two similar questions ahe. So let us now solve the problem. The first step in the solution of the problem is the target strength for mixed proportioning. Now this is given from clause 3.2 of IS 10262-2009. So here it is given FCK dash is equal to FCK plus 1.65 S. So using this formula, we can find out the target strength. Now, what is FCK? FCK is the characteristic compressive strength at 28 days in Newton per mm square. Our characteristic compressive strength to our question which is given in point number 1. And here it is 30 Newton per mm square. Our S to ki hoy? S is the standard deviation in Newton per mm square. Our S to ami pam either from table 1 of IS 10262-2009 or from table 8 of IS 456-2000. Now, yate corresponding to different grades of concrete, amak standard deviation by SR value to diya ase. From table 1, we can see that for all these grades of concrete, we have these are the values of the standard deviation. Similarly, from table 8 also, we can get the values. Ite amar grade of concrete kuntu hoy? We can see in the question, our characteristic compressive strength to diya ase 30 Newton per mm square. So with that, we can find out what is the grade of the concrete. So the characteristic compressive strength, if it is 30 Newton per mm square, then the grade of the concrete will be M30 grade. So here we have the characteristic compressive strength as 30 Newton per mm square. So we have the grade of concrete as M30. So corresponding to M30, both from table 1 of IS 10262-2009 and table 8 of IS 456-2000, we have the value of S as 5. So ami FCK value jano, which is 30 Newton per mm square, and ami SR value jano, which is 5. So using this formula, we can find out the value of FCK dash. So let us find out that formula. So let us write down from clause 3.2 of IS 10262-2009, we have FCK dash is equal to FCK plus 1.65 S. Our SR value ami kor pa pam? From table 1 of IS 10262-2009 or from table 8 of IS 456-2000, we have for M30 concrete, the value of S is 5. So now we can find out FCK dash. Therefore, FCK dash is equal to FCK value ki man asile 30 plus 1.65 into SR value ki man 5. So we get this as 38.25 Newton per mm square. So this is the step 1 of the solution. Now let us come to step 2, that is the selection of water cement ratio. Now from where we will get that? We will get that from table 5 of IS 456-2000. In this table, both for plain concrete and for reinforced concrete, we have the exposure conditions and the minimum grade of concrete. So corresponding to these two values, আমি উলিয়াব পাৰিম maximum free water cement ratio and also the minimum cement content. Now, ইয়াতে আমাক যদি আমাক questionত mention কৰা নাথাকে that it is plain concrete, then if nothing is mentioned about it, then we will always consider that we have used reinforced concrete. So in this case, our question we know that the grade of concrete is M30 and also the exposure condition is given as severe. So corresponding to the severe exposure condition and the minimum grade of concrete, our maximum free water cement ratio kiman 0.45. Also minimum cement content is 320 kg per meter cube. But this minimum cement content is applicable only when the aggregate size is 20 mm. Jodi he amar aggregate size to 20 mm hoy, tetia amar minimum cement content to ami ekhon table pa jitu pao hetu value lobo paru. But if it is other than 20 mm, then we have to make certain adjustments, and those adjustments are given in table 6 of IS 456-2000. Yate corresponding to the aggregate size, we have the different adjustments that are to be made to the value that we have got from this table. So ekhon table or pa ami kiman ki paisu maximum water cement ratio 0.45 or minimum cement content 320. So let us write them down. From table 5 of IS 456-2000, for M30 concrete and for severe exposure condition, we have the maximum water cement ratio as 0.45. Now usually we never consider the maximum water cement ratio. Maximum ke hodai ami kom assume koru. So here let us adopt the water cement ratio to be equal to 0.40. Our minimum cement content ami kiman paisilu? Minimum cement content ami paisilu from table 5 320 kg per meter cube. So we'll write down 320 kg per meter cube. But our aggregate size kiman hoy 40 mm. So according to table 6 of IS 456-2000, we have to make certain adjustments. So let us write that down. Adjustment to minimum cement content for 40 mm size aggregate kiman hoy? It is given here for 40 mm size aggregate our adjustment hoise -30. So আমি যেটো originally পাইছিলো 320 তারপর আমি minus করিম 30. which is equal to 290 kg per meter cube. And this is according to table 6 of IS 456 2000. You can also write this line beforehand that from table 6 of IS 456 2000 we have got this adjustment. So this is how we complete step 2, that is the selection of water cement ratio. Now let us come to step 3, that is the selection of water content. Now this is table 2 of IS 10262-2009. Yate amak corresponding to the maximum size of aggregate amak maximum water content dia ase. But again to this also we have to make certain adjustments. So let us see what are those adjustments. These adjustments are according to clause 4.2 of IS 10262-2009. Yate tini dhoroner adjustment ase. The first is for the shape of the aggregate. Now, if the shape of the aggregate is angular, then we do not have to make any kind of adjustment because table 2 jitu value dia ase ami directly hetu value lobo paru. But if it is other than angular, then we have to make adjustments. Also, next adjustment is for the slump. Slump value to jodi amar 25 to 50 mm range of thake, then we do not have to make any adjustment, but tatke besi hole we do have to make the adjustment. And lastly, we have the adjustment for the admixtures. Now ami adjustment kini kuntu order ot korim? In the same order that is mentioned in the IS code. First thought for the shape of aggregate, then for the slump, and finally for the admixture. Now, amar question at ki diya ase? The shape of the aggregate is given as rounded and the slump is given as 75 mm. So we have to make adjustments for these two. But amar kuno dhoroner admixture diya nai, so we do not have to make the third adjustment. So let us write down from table 2 of IS 10262-2009, maximum water content for 40 mm size aggregate is equal to kiman asile? From table 2 for 40 mm size aggregate we have the maximum water content as 165 kg. So let us write that down here, 165 kg. Now let us come to the adjustments. First is for the shape of the aggregate. So what is the shape? Shape of aggregate. My question at diya ase rounded. So adjustment kiman hobo? Adjustment is given in clause 4.2 of IS 10262-2009, and adjustment is reduction of 25 kg for rounded gravel. So ami jiman khini palu tarpa 25 kg minus koribo lagibo. So from clause 4.2 of IS 10262-2009, adjustment for rounded aggregate is equal to jitu ami paisilu tarpra 25 minus. So we have 140 kg. Next is the adjustment for slump. So let us see what is that adjustment. Slump jodi 25 mm to 50 mm range ot hoy, then we do not have to make any adjustment. But tatke jodi besi hoy, then the adjustment is an increase by about 3% for every additional 25 mm slump. So yatke besi 25 to 50 mm otke jodi amar besi hoy tenehole ami add koribo lagibo. Kiman add koribo lagibo? For every 25 mm increase in slump we have to increase the water content by 3%. So yate amar question ki dia ase slump is 75 mm. So amar A2 range or par kiman khini increase hoye ase 75 mm jodi hoy or 50 mm motke 25 mm increase hoye ase. So if the increase in the slump is 25 mm, then the increase in the water content should be 3%. So let us write down. We have slump is equal to 75 mm. Adjustment for slump is equal to 3%. So it will be 140 plus 3% means 3 by 100 into 140, which is equal to 144.2 kg. So this is the second adjustment, which is for the slump. Now the third adjustment is for the admixture. Jitu dia ase amar water reducing admixtures or super plasticizing admixtures. Etur karone ami adjustment koru, but in this question we do not have any use of admixtures, so we will not be making that adjustment. So this is how we complete the step 3 of the solution. Now let us come to step 4. Calculation of cement content. It is cement content ami keneke uliabo paru. We know that the water cement ratio is equal to the water content divided by the cement content. So our cement content kiman hobo? It will be water content divided by water cement ratio. So our water cement ratio kiman hoy? Ami agor stepot adopt korisilu. We have adopted a lesser value of water cement ratio. Maximum to ami loa nasilu, ami tatke kom loisilu. And kiman loisilu ami? Let us adopt water cement ratio is equal to 0.40. Our water content we have calculated in the last step, which is equal to 144.2 kg. So since water cement ratio is equal to water content by cement content, so cement content will be equal to water content by water cement ratio. Water content is equal to 144.2 kg and water cement ratio is 0.40. So we get this as 362.5 kg per meter cube. So now we have to make two checks. Duta check koribo laibo ami that ami jitu cement content palu calculate kori pelai, that should be less than the maximum cement content and it should be more than the minimum cement content. So maximum cement content ami korpra pam, we get that from clause 8.2.4.2 of IS 10262/2009, and according to that the maximum cement content should be 450 kg per meter cube. And yate ami kiman paisu? Yate ami paisu 362.5 kg per meter cube, which is less than 450 kg per meter cube. So we can write down it is less than the maximum cement content, which is 450 kg per meter cube as per clause 8.2.4.2 of IS 10262/2009. And also we have to check that this value is greater than the minimum cement content. Eta minimum cement content ami kot pam? We have already calculated that in the second step, jitu ami paisilu 290 kg per meter cube. So yate amar kiman hoy? Amar cement content ami calculate kori paisu 362.5 kg per meter cube. So we can write down also required cement content, which is 362.5 kg per meter cube, is greater than minimum cement content, which is 290 kg per meter cube, jitu ami paisilu in step 2. So a duta check korar pisot that it is less than the maximum cement content and it is greater than the minimum cement content, we can write hence okay. So this is how we complete step 4. Now let us come to step 5, which is proportion of trial mixes. Now in table 3 of IS 10262-2009, we have the volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate for different zones of fine aggregate. Amak upor zone bur dia ase fine aggregator and amak yate left side maximum size of aggregate dia ase. So jodi ami size of aggregate janu aru jodi zone of the fine aggregate janu, then we can find out the volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate for different zones of the fine aggregate. Now, yate amak dia ase that it is for volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate. Per unit volume of total aggregate mane ami total aggregate consider koisu to be of one volume. Mane total aggregate or amak ki thake, it's comprised of the coarse aggregate and the fine aggregate. So tar total aggregate tur jodi ami volume 1 boli dhoru, tare bhitor coarse aggregate kiman hobo ami ekhon table or pa pam. So now we can write down from table 3 of IS 10262-2009, volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate for maximum size of aggregate. Kiman dia ase ama question of size of aggregate, it is given as 40 mm. So maximum size of aggregate 40 mm and amar sand or zone kiman dia ase question of zone 3 for sand confirming to zone 3. Kiman pam ami from table 3? Yate amar size of aggregate amar questioner mote 40 mm and amar zone 3. So corresponding to that, we have the volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate as 0.73. So we can write down this is 0.73. But according to clause 4.4 of IS 10262-2009, this value is applicable only when the water cement ratio is 0.5. But if the water cement ratio is less than or more than 0.5, then we have to make certain adjustments. So yate amar water cement ratio kiman hoy? Amar water cement ratio is equal to 0.40. Therefore, we have to make the adjustment. Therefore, adjustment is required. And that is according to clause 4.4 of IS 10262-2009. Now, what is the adjustment? Adjustment is at the rate of minus oblique plus 0.01 for every plus oblique minus 0.05 change in water cement ratio. মানে কি মানে যদি water cement ratio লগত plus হয় তেতিয়া আমাৰ এই ভ্যালুটোৰ পৰা যেটো ভলিউম অফ কোৰ্স এগ্ৰিগেট per unit ভলিউম অফ টোটাল এগ্ৰিগেট পাইছো হেতুৰ পৰা আমাৰ মাইনাস হ'ব আৰু যদি আমাৰ water cement ratio পৰা মাইনাস হয় দেন আমাৰ সেই ভ্যালুটোৰ পৰা প্লাস হ'ব which means আমাৰ যেটো water cement ratio আছে হেতু আমাৰ 0.5 ৰ পৰা মাইনাস কৰি পাম নে প্লাস কৰি পাম যদি আমি মাইনাস কৰি পাও দেন আমি ইয়াতে প্লাস কৰিব লাগিব যদি প্লাস কৰি পাও ইয়াতে আমি মাইনাস কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াতে আমাৰ কি হৈছে water cement ratio is less than 0.5 তামনে আমি 0.5 ৰ পৰা মাইনাস কৰি প্লে পাইছো তে কিমান মাইনাস কৰি প্লে পাইছো আমি 0.1 মাইনাস কৰি প্লে পাইছো সো আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াতে যেহেতু আমি মাইনাস কৰি পাইছো আমি এই ভ্যালুটোত আমি প্লাস কৰিব লাগিব এডজাস্টমেন্টৰ কাৰণে and কিমান প্লাস কৰিব লাগিব at the rate of 0.01 for every 0.05 change যদি আমাৰ ইয়াতে 0.05 মাইনাস হল হয় আমি ইয়াতে 0.01 এড কৰিলো হয় but যদি আমাৰ এটু ভ্যালু ডাবল হৈ যায় 0.05 টো আমাৰ এটু ভ্যালু ডাবল হৈ যাব সো ইয়াতে আমি কিমান মাইনাস কৰি প্লে পাইছো 0.5 ৰ পৰা আমি 0.1 মাইনাস কৰি প্লে 0.4 পাইছো সো আমাৰ এটু ভ্যালু আমাৰ হৈছে 0.1 which is এটু ডাবল হৈ গৈছে সো আমাৰ এটু ডাবল হৈ যাব এটু ডাবল হলে কিমান হ'ব 0.02 you don't have to write this down while solving the problem I'm just writing it for explanation so yate amar ki hoise 0.1 to amar minus kori pele ami 0.4 paisu so yate ami 0.02 to plus korim so after adjustment ami kiman pam therefore volume of coarse aggregate after adjustment কিমান হ'ব আমি প্লাস কৰিম সো 0.73 plus 0.02 which is equal to 0.75 so যদি আমি total aggregate 1 consider কৰো তাৰে ভিতৰত আমাৰ coarse aggregate কিমান 0.75 এটা fine aggregate কেনেকে উলিয়াম আমি since total aggregate comprises of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate so আমাৰ volume of fine aggregate কিমান হ'ব volume of fine aggregate will be equal to the volume of total aggregate minus the volume of coarse aggregate. So volume of total aggregate ami ate 1 consider korisu and volume of coarse aggregate ami kiman consider korisu as 0.75. So ami volume of fine aggregate kiman pam 0.25. So if we consider the volume of total aggregate to be 1, then the volume of coarse aggregate is 0.75 and the volume of fine aggregate is 0.25. So we can write down here water content ami kiman paisu 144.2 kg or you can write it down as liter because 1 kg is equal to 1 liter. Cement content ami kiman paisu 362.5 kg per meter cube then volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate ami paisu 0.75 and similarly volume of fine aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate ami paisu 0.25. So this is the completion of step 5. Next we come to step 6 that is the mixed calculations. Eta mixed calculations or ami protito ingredient or concrete or protito ingredient or ami volume uliam. Now concrete or amar ki ingredient thake cement, water, coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. Our coarse aggregate and fine aggregate are together known as the total aggregate. So to find out the volume of cement, volume of water and volume of total aggregate or volume of all in aggregate, first tote ami volume of concrete we will always consider as 1 meter cube. And corresponding to this, ami baki buror volume uliam. So volume of cement is given by the formula mass of cement by specific gravity of cement into 1 by 1000. So mass of cement ami paisu 362.5. Specific gravity of cement is given in the question as 3.16 into 1 by 1000, which is equal to 0.115 meter cube. Next, we have the volume of water, which is given by the similar formula, that is mass of water by specific gravity of water into 1 by 1000. Mass of water, ami paisu 144.2. Specific gravity of water is 1 into 1 by 1000, which is equal to 0.144 meter cube. Next, we have volume of all in aggregate. So volume of all in aggregate ami kiman keneke pam? Volume of concrete or pra mane total volume tur pora ami volume of cement or volume of water jodi ami deduct kori diu, then we will get the volume of all in aggregate. So volume of all in aggregate is A, mane this A minus B plus C. B mane volume of cement or C mane volume of water. So A is 1 minus B is 0.115 plus C is 0.144, and this we get as 0.741 meter cube. So this is the volume of all in aggregate. Next, we find the mass of coarse aggregate, which is given by the formula D into volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate into specific gravity of coarse aggregate into 1000. Aru yare D2 hoise this. This is the value of D, jitu ami last step ot calculate kori ulaisu. So mass of coarse aggregate of D, we can write down 0.741 into volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate ami paisu 0.75. Specific gravity of coarse aggregate amak question or diya ase 2.64 into 1000, and we get this as 1467.18 kg. Similarly, we have the mass of fine aggregate, which is equal to D into volume of fine aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate into specific gravity of fine aggregate into 1000. So D is again 0.741. Volume of fine aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate, ami paisu 0.25. Specific gravity of fine aggregate, questioner diya ase 2.63 into 1000, which is equal to 487.2075 kg. So this is the mass of fine aggregate. Next, we come to step 7, that is the mixed proportions. So we have to make a table like this. At a first time, our water cement ratio to ahibo, which is equal to 0.40, and then we have the quantity of material and ratio of material. Material amar ki ase? Cement, water, coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. So first time quantity of material to likhilom. Cement kiman hoy 362.5 paiselu, water is 144.2, coarse aggregate is 1467.18, and fine aggregate is 487.2075. Now the ratio of material. Now we always write the ratio of mixed proportions as cement is to fine aggregate is to coarse aggregate. And here, I mean ratio to cement or ratio to, we always consider it as 1. So cement to jodi ami 1 horu, tenehole coarse aggregate or fine aggregate ami kiman pam? Duitake ami jodi cement or quantity di divide kori diu, we will get the ratio. Since ami A1 to pabo karne ami cement or quantity to 362.5 edi divide kori pele paisu. So ami coarse aggregate or fine aggregate or 2 ami jodi cement or quantity divide koru, will get the ratio. So always we have to divide the cement, coarse aggregate and fine aggregate quantity by the mass of the cement to get the ratio. Hoda ami cement or massere gote kita divide korim. So etu ami 1 pump cement or massere divide korile. We do not have to find this water because I'm already water cement ratio to janu 0.4. Coarse aggregate ami jodi 1467.18 to ami 362.5 edi divide koru, we will get 4.5 4.05 আৰু fine aggregator যদি আমি 487.2075 টো আমি 362.5 এদি divide কৰো we will get it as 1.34. Now ratio of mixed proportions, like I already said, it is always cement is to fine aggregate is to coarse aggregate. So our ratio to 1 is to 1.34 is to 4.05. In this question, there is no mention about the water absorption and the free surface water content condition. Question on কোনো ধৰণৰ water absorption বা free surface water content or কথা mention নাই. So our solution to yate complete. যদি mention থাকিলে হয়, then we have to continue to step 8, that is the adjustments. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to put down your feedback in the comment section below. Also, if you have any question related to mixed design that you want us to solve, you can mail the question to us in the email address given in the description box. Do follow our Facebook page given in the description box for more updates. Do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe buttons and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from our channel.